Okay, let's crush these all. Alright, let's bring my little radio in. Alright. 3, 2, okay. Ready? 3, 2. Well, the problem is I'm kidding. It's stuck. Oh, it's going. Got it. I didn't crush that. I didn't crush that. There she is. There he is. He's really old. Want this in there, Todd? Okay. And then it's not full. Look at this, Todd. It's not full.
I know I can't overfill. I'm having problems with the machine.
What's going on with this?
I don't know. I'm waiting for a guy to come. It's leaking oil.
Do you want me to put it down for the day?
Put it down for the day. Then
Yeah. Let me check there's a jam in there, okay?
Bring it, push it down, and just let it go. There's no more playing with it, man.
Okay. Thank you, Todd.
Yeah.
It's high and big.